All right, guys. So I got most of my mess cleaned up from doing the cedar trim work in our bathroom. Tell you what, I don't think I'll ever spray any more finish, well, that much in the shop again. It's just terrible. I still got to go through and wipe everything down. As you can see over here, yeah. So it's going to take me a few hours to get that done, but in the meantime, I figured I would do some tool maintenance. Now, I already flipped the blades in my planer, cleaned up the rollers, waxed the bed, blah, blah, blah. And I thought I would start on my table saw. Now, I take pretty good care of my tools, but you get little marks in it, like, I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah, like those. Anyway, I'm going to try and get those out right now. So, what I'm using, here, let me get you mounted. What I'm using are these little blocks called Sandflex blocks. They're pretty affordable. You get them in coarse, medium, and of course fine. Now there's 100 ways to do this, guys. Some people use sanders and Brillo pads and all kinds of things, but this is what I've come to like. Now these things are really quite affordable. I think I might have spent 15 bucks for the set of these, but you can see there's abrasive in there, and it's like a rubber block. It goes all the way through it. So as it wears, you're exposed to fresh abrasive. So anyway, I'm going to get started here. So we'll start with the coarse, and I like to just go back and forth like this. And I stay with the grain of the saw, of the metal. So it's not quite out. There, that helped quite a bit. Now my saw top gets used for all kinds of things other than a table saw. So a lot of times I do glue ups on here. And it doesn't look like I'm going to get those out of there all that well, but let's give her a little elbow grease. Helped a little bit, I guess. Maybe I should have waited till my saw top was a lot worse than what it is. And the cool thing about these is they fit down into your miter slots. So all right, it's better. It ain't perfect. I'm not looking for perfect. I'm just looking for better. All right, we'll step up to the medium. Yeah, your hands are gonna get dirty, but whatever. Again, a little bit of elbow jelly. I have a saw that comes out, saw top that comes out pretty nice. I still remember the first scratch I got in this. Man, that irritated me. I just spent, what, 800 bucks for a saw, and running through it, I slid a board across it, and yep, there went a scratch. All right, now we'll step up to the fine. See, you can tell the difference. So, coarse, medium, and fine. I don't know if you can see that, the texture difference, but this one just feels like a rubber block. All right. Some of the marks just aren't going to come out. Alright, we're just about done here. We'll give it a quick wipe down and show you what it looks like. Then I can wax it. Alright. Alright. You see some of the dirt come off there, but alright, let's take a look at it. I don't know if you guys see a difference in it, but I do. You see them spots aren't as pronounced anymore. They're still there, but you know, I've had this saw, gosh, what, 8 years? It's got some scratches. It'll be fine. Alright, let's throw some wax on it. Now, what I like to use is this tray wax. It's pretty heavy duty. Yeah, so it's got a carnauba in it. Buffable with carnauba. So, let's do her. Alright, where's my 5-way at? There it is. Probably one of my most used tools in the shop here is this 5-way. And if you're going to get one, get the Purdy brand. These things are rock solid. Yep. Alright. I've had this thing about 7 years. And about the only thing I use it on is my power tools. Table saw, joiner, etc. Sometimes I use it on my different jigs. But primarily, it's just for my saw top. Alright, get that massaged in there real nice. Alright, this won't take too terribly long to dry, but alright. Okay, that's that. Let me grab my orbital. If I can find it. Alright, there it is. Alright. Okay. Pull that sandpaper off. Alright, we're just going to use this old crusty rag. Quick wipe. And presto bammo whammo, there it is. Now, I don't know how well my camera picks up, or my phone here picks up just how much nicer that is, but it's definitely smooth. Yeah, I like it. So, all right, guys, take care. Talk to you later.